Okay, here's another area of one of the parks. It's a nice little quaint area. The grass has to be cut. We'll see how long it is. It's not too long. We did catch a deer once. Oh my god, is there a deer? Come on, Chong. Okay, I don't think there is a deer back there. I thought that was a deer. There's something. Thought I seen something. I don't know, maybe it was something else. There's a little bridge over this way. I didn't see that. Oh, the wind's moving everything back and forth. It's a very nice park. You probably could go camping here. I don't know if I would want to go camping here. Maybe if the mosquitoes weren't so bad. But you never know. Somebody might.